Hello, good afternoon. How are you? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Adeyele Eyitayo.
Okay. It's nice to meet you here. What's the name of this place we are?
This is Central Maintenance Workshop.
Okay. And how long have you been attached here?
For the past 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
What have you been doing and how's the experience been like?
The experience in Central Maintenance has been so wonderful because we deal with bearing inspection and replacement of gaskets, seals, and the likes.
Is this one of the jobs we are currently working on?
Yes.
Can you tell us a bit more?
They brought the electric motor. They brought this pump. So the electric motor got burnt. So they were trying to, the stator and the rotor, they are trying to wind it back so that it can function back again.
Okay. And what role did you perform in
we dismantled.
You personally?
Yeah. Okay. When they brought the equipment, so our boss here gave us instruction that we should dismantle it first. So we started by dismantling the impeller, removal of the mechanical seals and the lights. And this is the shaft. So this is the stator. This is the rotor. This is the stator.
Okay. Good. And you spent 2 weeks there. How has it impacted your knowledge and skill?
Yeah, it has been wonderful, I would say, because we have been in the classroom just learning the theoretical aspect of engineering. Bringing us here into the plants has given us more idea on what we have been learning in the class. And now we have seen it here, so it's more wonderful for us. Very interesting.
Very good. Very good.